gotta travel. This is Bunkus Dunkus, and we traveling out to the bad side of the world to learn about the best things this world has to offer.
Okay, so freaking joke time.
Yeah?
What are the... Oh, I got a joke.
What?
So, basically, what is it? A rabbi walks into a bar in what is it, like the freaking Bronx of New York?
Yeah.
And then he's like, yo, the bartender says to, no, he has a freaking frog on his shoulder. And the bartender says, yo, where'd you find that? And the frog says, oh, up in the frickin', what's it called? I don't remember the joke. Why'd the car stop? Why's the car not going? We aren't moving. We aren't moving.
That was really funny.
You should probably crack a window. It's kind of freaking sunny out and like...
Yeah, it might get a little hot. Could you do that for me?
Sure. So here, welcome to MTV Cribs. My name's Grunt. I'm gonna teach you about my crib. So, basically, I got some Bitcoin here. See it right there? That's my Bitcoin. It's pretty nice.
Alright, so you start with
Wait, what does it say to start with?
start with a piece of paper. So first things first, you want to fold a piece of paper in half like a hot dog. Hot dog.
Hot dog.
Hot dog.
Hot dog.
You want to hot dog it together. I'm doing with one hand, so it's obviously infinitely harder. Then you unfold it, so you can have the unfolded hot dog, and then you... Oh no, not again. No worry, because we have another piece of paper. And so, you need to just fold it as you did originally. Just fold it hot dog style. So you need to fold this corner in, fold the other corner into the same location. If you did a different location, you're doing this incorrectly and need to retry. Oh no, it's getting everywhere again.
This man doesn't know how to fold the fucking paper 2 times. He's not even doing it right.
You need to fold it again.
So basically, shut up. This is my tutorial now. Okay?
Alright.
So first, you got this folded, right? You got your nice little Garfield. you got Garfield.
Yeah, bro.
Alright, so then you're gonna wanna fold this one in like this to the center. So you got like a little bit of goop on it. But that's okay. That makes it fly better. It sticks it together.
Yeah, it sticks it together.
You fold it again like that. So now, goop in my hand.
I did that.
Goop in my hand. I don't know what that goop is. Okay, so you fold it up like this. It's called a freaking mountain fold. So it's just a mountain, like, kind of fold. So you got this, and then this is the hard part. You're gonna freaking put it down, and you just fold the wings down. I'm an expert at this. I make it look easy. Don't worry.
But it is easy.
It's not actually easy.
It's easy for me.
I have Yeezys.
How many?
1.
Now at the end of your process, you should have a luxurious
baby plane.
A beautiful baby plane. See how it flies. Can it fly? That is the question. I'm gotta put some jet oil on it, or else it won't go.
That's jet fuel.
Now we're gonna be attempting to fly our vessel. So I'm very proud of how this turned out.
Can you hold it up for me?
I'm holding it up for you.
No, can you hold it up next to your face?
It's so beautiful and so great, and smell that oil. So we're gonna be taking a nice little flight. And it's just like that. And if you follow every step of this, you too can be a master in the craft.
Like me.